Hello children, welcome back to computer class. Let us start today's class. Let's recap what we have learnt in our previous videos. We were learning about the lesson tools of word processor. So word processor are the softwares which are used to create the professional looking documents. We can type text in computer and save the work what we do and take a printout of that in the computer. So that is possible with the word processor softwares. We have many word processor software, and that the popular word processor software is Microsoft Word. About MS Word 2010 we were learning in this lesson. So let us recap what we learnt in our previous video. So we learnt about highlighting text, making text bold, italicized and underlined. Highlighting text, it gives the background color to the text. So for the text which you have typed, we can give background color. That is called as highlighting. So we learnt about the steps which is used to highlight the text. We have to select the text, click on home tab, highlight color option. So a color palette appears, you have to choose which color you need it as a background to your text. So we learnt about the steps. Here you can see color palette which shows different colors. So these are the steps to highlight the text. We also learnt about making the text bold, italicized or underlined. Here you can see the examples how it looks when you use those options. The bold, italic or underline options can be used to make up the text stand out. So compared to all other text, we can make it look differently and attractively by using these options. To use this bold, italic or underline option, select the text to be formatted, click on the home tab, click on the bold to make the text darker, italic to make it slant or underline to get a line below the text. Select the text and use these options which are available on the home tab. So this will be represented in the letters B, I, U. B stands for bold, I stands for italic, U stands for underline. So we have a shortcut key also to do these options. Ctrl plus B to make the text bold. After selecting you can use this. So Ctrl plus U to make the text underline to get a line below the text. Ctrl plus I to italicize the text. These are the things which we learnt in our previous class. Today let us going to study about changing text case. Changing text case. So usually when we are typing or writing children, we write the letters, we type the letters or text in lowercase or uppercase. So lowercase in the sense all the letters in small letter. So uppercase where we use all the capital letters. So lowercase and uppercase. So we can type in computer in lowercase or uppercase, or after typing also you can change the case of the text without retyping it again. For example, computer, if you need to type it in a capital letter, if you type that in a small letter, rather than deleting that and retyping it by using caps lock key, the text which you have typed already, you can select that and change the case of that text. The word which you typed in smaller can be changed to uppercase. So we can change the case of the existing text, the text which is already available, without retyping it in Microsoft Word by making use of change case option. To change the cases of the text, we have an option called change case in MS Word. So along with two cases children, that is uppercase or lowercase. So we have another three cases that we can use in MS Word, that is sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word and toggle case. So you can observe here the picture shows how the text will looks in sentence case. So the first one, sentence case, where you can see the first letter of the sentence is capital and all letters are smaller. Second one is lowercase, where you can see all the letters in small. So the third one, uppercase, you can see all the letters and all the text, all the words in capitals. So capitalize each word. You can see that again, capitalize each word. So each word, the first letter of each word is capital and other letters will be smaller. So how many words you are going to type? The first letter of each word will become capital. So you have another case, that is toggle case, where it's going to reverse that. So whichever the letters are capital will change to small letters and lowercase will change to uppercase. Small letters will change to capital letters and capital letters will change to small letters. So these are the 5 cases which we have in MS Word. So let us see about each case individually and the steps to change the case. The first one, sentence case. Only the first letter of a sentence is displayed in uppercase, that is capital. The rest of the letters are displayed in lowercase. Here you can see an example where only the first letter of a sentence is displayed in capital and the other letters will be smaller. So this is sentence case. And the second one, lowercase. All the letters are displayed in lowercase. So you can see all the letters in small. So the third one, uppercase. As I said, it will be in capitals. All the letters are displayed in uppercase. Here you can see an example where computer is an electronic device has typed by using capital letters. So the next case, that is capitalize each word. As I said, the first letter of each word is displayed in uppercase. The rest of the letters are displayed in lowercase. Here you can see each word, the first letter of each word. Computer C is I, an A, electronic E, device D. You can see the first letter of each word is capital, other letters will be smaller. This is capitalize each word. We have toggle case, it's going to reverse that. So this is used to change the case of every letter. The uppercase letters are changed to lowercase and the lower letters are changed to uppercase. So here you can see an example, children. The first one, computer is an electronic device which is in capitalize each word. So in the second example where we have used the toggle case, we'll changes the capital to smaller, the smaller to capital. So got an idea, children, about the 5 cases. So let us see the steps to change the cases of the text. In the first step, you have to select the text to be formatted. For which text you have to change the case, you have to select the text. In the second step, you have to click on Home tab. In Home tab, you have Change Case option in Font Group. So if you click on that, you get a drop down list. There you can choose the desired case. So these are the steps which is used to change the case of the text. Children, let us see how to use this change case option in computer. So here I have typed computer as an electronic device in MS Word. To change the case of that, select the text. So after selecting, you can see here on the Home tab, so in the font group, you have A and A, one capital letter A and small a along with the drop down arrow. That is called change case option. It is available in Home tab and font group change case option. So if you click on the drop down arrow, you get the drop down list. So there you can see sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word and toggle case. So here can you see the lowercase option? So the text you see, if you click on that, all the letters will be in lowercase. So here I have selected the text and applying these options. So after that, let us use any other option, other case, that is uppercase. So observe the changes which is happening in the document area, that is work area. All the letters, it has changed to capitals. So let me choose another case, that is capitalize each word. In this, only the first letter of each word should be capital and the other letters will be smaller. So the next option, select the text and use the toggle case, where capital letter will become smaller and the smaller letters will change to capital. So these are the options which we can use under the change case in MS Word. Here you can see that change case drop down list. Children, let's recap what we learned today. We learned about changing text case. So here you can see the letters which are typed in small letters and capital letters. So along with this, we have other 3 cases that can be used in MS Word. So we can change the case of the existing text without retyping it in Microsoft Word by making use of the change case option. So here you have 5 cases example. So the first one, sentence case, in which only the first letter of a sentence will be in capital. Other letters will be in small, that is lowercase. So lowercase, where all the letters in a sentence in lowercase, that is small letters. Uppercase, all the letters are displayed in uppercase, capitals. Capitalize each word, the first letter of each word is displayed in capital and the other letters will be in small. Toggle case, where the upper letters will be changed to lower case and the lower case letters are changed to upper case. Capitals will be in small, small letters will change to capital letters. So select the text that should be changed, different case, and click on the home tab. There you can find the change case option. If you click on the drop down list, you get a list appears. Select the type of case, which change case you need, and choose the desired option. So children, this is your home assignment. I request you to write this in your homework book. Thank you children.